With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, in the Hoope's process for refining of aluminium, the fused materials form 3 different layers and they remain separated during electrolysis also. This is because, okay. Now, if we talk about the Hoope's process is a metallurgical process for refining of aluminium, right? And aluminium with very high purity is obtained by this method, right? Aluminium with very high purity is obtained, about 99.99% pure aluminium is obtained from this process, right? So, if we talk about the setup of this process, Hoope's process, what really happens is that first we have an iron container, right? This container is made up of iron. So, we have an iron container. Then we have a layer of carbon, okay? We have a layer of carbon which can be shown something like this. So, this is the carbon layer. Okay, this is the carbon layer. So, we have 3 separate layers here. Okay, so we can depict it something like this. This is the first layer, right? Let this be the first layer. Then let this be the second layer. And then let us draw the third layer here. Right, so these are the 3 layers that we have here. Now, the 3 layers that we have, this second layer that we have consists of molten fluorides, right? This consists of molten fluorides, okay? And if we talk about this layer, here we get the molten Al, right? We get the molten Al here, okay? And now what really happens is that we have an anode attached here, right? Here we have an anode attached. We can depict it something like this. So this is anode, okay? This is anode which consists of impure aluminium, okay? It consists of impure aluminium. Then above the top layer, what do we have? Above the top layer, we have graphite rods, okay? We have graphite rods which is connected to the cathode, okay? So these are the graphite rods which are basically act as cathode only, right? So this is what we have. And in the bottom layer, we have Al plus 3 ions, right? In the middle layer also we have Al plus 3 ions. And in the top layer, by this process, we obtain the pure aluminium, right? And all these 3 separate layers that we have different densities, right? All these 3 layers are separated on the basis of their densities, okay? Only then they can be made into separate layers, right? There has to be a difference in density. So if you look at the options, the first option says that after there's a special arrangement in the cell to keep the layers separate. This is incorrect, right? There's not a special arrangement, but there's a difference in the densities of these layers, right? So option 2 says the 3 layers have different densities. Yes, this is the correct answer. The next is 3 layers are maintained at different temperatures. This is also incorrect. There's no different temperature for these layers. The next is upper layer is kept attracted by cathode and the lower layer is kept attracted by anode. This is also not the correct explanation for this question, right? So these 3 layers, they remain separated because of the difference in densities, and that is what the question was asking. So that's all for the question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.